Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix you need the official WhatsApp to log in. This is your problem. To solve this problem, just follow my all steps without skipping. First step, go to your phone settings. Click on apps. Storage, clear cache and clear data. Now go to Chrome browser. WhatsApp support. Now fill out the form with correct information. Select your country code. Enter your phone number. Enter your email. Select your device. Now describe your problem to WhatsApp support team. After doing that, click on next step. Viewers, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.